Hi Leos, welcome back. So, this is going to be your reading for your career relationship for the next 24 hours. So, today we'll be picking few cards from this deck for you all today. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. So, these cards are for your general energies, Leos. This card here, this is for your relationship, and one more card for your career situation. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed. So for your general energies, Leos, we have Temperance in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Eight of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your situation, work, or in relationship, you are someone making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying to do the best today. You are quite anxious because you want to make the right decisions for your relationship or for your career, or you want to handle your circumstance with a lot of responsibility. You don't want to do anything the wrong way. So you are trying your best, really focused and paying a lot of attention in your career or in your personal life. And that is the reason when certain things are not going as expected, when people are not responsible like you, when they do not have that committed attitude, you feel very anxious, stressed. And today in your work or in your personal life, you have done something, maybe it was something you made, a choice you made, it was an unintentional mistake on your part, but you are not the person to make mistakes. So you are feeling very bad about it for having done this, embarrassed about the way you handle your circumstance or way you did something. So you're worried for your mistakes, whatever has happened. And maybe in your situation, you may have certain ideals or beliefs for yourself. You like to stick to the rules you have for yourself, and the person you love, maybe they may have their own ideas. They are not willing to listen to you. Maybe you are experienced, you are very much talented and skilled, but still this person is not ready to listen to you. So they have their own way of doing things. They have their unique way of handling their situation, and they are not ready to listen to you. And you are trying to help them, but this person is not understanding that. And you are quite anxious for that because they are not understanding you or understanding your true concern you have on them. And today, this person, maybe for some of you, they are changing. It is going to be a happy news for you. Maybe this person is really changing. They are understanding you. They are understanding your true concerns. And maybe they are understanding your true love. And for some of you, they are even planning to take you out for dinner, spend time with you. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Swords in reverse. So you may have a beautiful understanding flowering in this relationship, but you need to be really careful with what you speak or what you do with this person, maybe the words you speak may hurt them and they may decide otherwise. So you must try to really build a beautiful understanding first based on uh, both of your ideas or both of your plans or vision, whatever you may have for this connection. So open heart communication is what is going to help you today, Leos. Without that, this relationship is very difficult, because it may be the way you behave, or it may be the way they behave, or the words they speak, or the words you speak, whatever it is. Something will create the problems in this relationship. So, if you want to avoid that, you must know about each other with clarity. So, clear communication is the key if you want this relationship to work. Maybe they have changed for you. They are coming to you. They are coming to take you out, or they are wishing to spend time with you or reconcile with you. Whatever it is, still this relationship is on rocky grounds. It's not on strong footing. So you must build a strong foundation based on truth and honesty. That is going to help you today, Leos. So let us see what is the card for your career. It's Seven of Swords. So in your work, there are people who are trying to use you, use your skills and talents, use you financially, or there may be people competing with you, waiting for the opportunity to grab the offers that are coming for you, or grab your success, or grab your name and your work. So you need a lot of attention and focus. You need a lot of determination on your side, dedication on your side. And Leos, you are already a very dedicated person, and you need more focus and attention if you want success in your situation, because you are facing a lot of competition. You may be working, or you may be doing business, whatever it is, you need a lot of focus. That is what I see with these cards for you all today. So that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Leos. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.